So Golf Rs don't stick around for long when we get them here at Acklam, and this particular one won't stick around for long either. This is a 73 plate finished in pure white, and it's got some nice options on it. It's got the Performance Pack, the Winter Pack, and also a Panoramic Sunroof. 73 plate, done just over 7,000 miles, and manufacturer's warranty up until 2026, so you've got peace of mind as far as that's concerned. Very infamous on these, but on the Mark 8 Golf R, you'll notice these new IQ headlights, which are big across the VW range. Blue stripe going across the bonnet, across the grille, sorry, and then you've also got the black grille surround, so real cool look to it and dead bright, especially if you see them in the dark. Another option on this one is the 19-inch Esterol black alloys. They're a diamond cut alloy, so you've got the little bimetal touch on them, so really nice finish. And then those Golf R brake calipers in bright blue. Silver mirrors, just again symbolising it to Golf R. And the good thing with these, with the practicality side of them, so yes, they are based on a hatchback, but there's still plenty of space in the back. That'll give you the first glimpse you can see of that Golf R interior, so that bright blue, really nice, and then you've also got those sport seats to the front. Again, linking with the practicality, so good boot space on them, so if this is a family vehicle or even the main car, it can definitely do that. You'll certainly get some suitcase in there, no problem. Nice twin tailpipes as well. And you've also got those IQ lights to the rear, so really bright, especially when you're driving in the dark. 320 brake, four-wheel drive, so performance is definitely there, practicality is there as well. And they've got a boatload of styling options. As I mentioned, with the winter pack, especially weather like today, you've got some cool options that will work. So you've got your heated front seats, you've got this full panoramic sunroof, which is a separate option altogether, and a really cool feature to open it, which I'll show you, is you slide that back just by a touchscreen, so quite cool and modern. You've got these really nice Golf R seats, so suede on the outside, that kind of checkered interior, but the blue stitching is just all the way throughout, so steering wheel, seats. You've also got the brake calipers that match, and you've got the lighting, if you can see, just through the door card here, so all goes in well together. Exact mileage is 7,150, and the steering wheel, again, especially on a day like today, this is a heated steering wheel, but it is a leather R1 as well. Adaptive cruise control, very good for motorway journeys. I use that quite a lot on the cars that I have it on, and you do have the paddles for the DSG, so if you want to have a little go in manual mode, you can do. Wireless charging, and a good thing in the Performance Pack, which I'll show you in a second, is you have different drive modes. So this is the unrestricted speed one, so it's about 168 miles per hour if you choose to go that fast. And you've also got a drift mode as well. Let's get that back on, sorry. So drift, special and individual, so there is a Nürburgring mode as well, I believe, so that'll affect things like engine tone, power output. And then as standard, the gearbox has different drive modes as well if you want to put it in sports. So DSG for me, arguably one of the most seamless gearboxes you can get. So car is in, as you'd expect, immaculate condition and plenty of options. Again, the typical VW things, your nav, your Apple CarPlay and everything like that. So if you are in search for one of these, which most people will be, you won't find one that looks like this or sounds like that. So please give us a shout if this would be of interest. Again, it will not be around for long. I know we say that a lot, but this one definitely won't. So please give us a shout.